Hi everyone, it's Lisa from A Simple Season. Today I have a quick and easy recipe for you of insalata di tonno, or otherwise known as Italian tuna salad. And this recipe is a subscriber request from Barbara. She wanted me to do this today, so I am more than happy to do that. If we haven't met yet, my name is Lisa and my family is from the Calabria region of Italy, and my channel is mostly about food. Shopping for it, cooking it, preserving it, storing it, and serving it to others. This Italian tuna salad is easy, has a fresh, clean flavor, and is a traditional Italian dish, so let's get started. So what you are going to want to start out with is a couple of cans of tuna packed in olive oil that's preferably imported from Italy. And the reason why Italian tuna is so good is because the way it's harvested and packaged is very unique. It actually has lower levels of mercury in it than regular tuna because the fish is harvested at a different point in its life cycle. Also, the tuna is packed and marinated in a nice quality olive oil for a period of 2 months. So it just creates this wonderful, flavorful, very rich and tender texture. So if you can find an imported Italian tuna, go ahead and get it. And this is the Rio Mare brand that I find at Costco. This brand is very popular in Italy. A lot of Italians use this brand, but there's other brands as well. There's Calippo, there's all kinds of other ones that you can find maybe in the import section of your grocery store or an Italian deli. It is definitely worth checking out. So the first thing we're going to do is take our tuna and put it in a bowl, and you don't want to drain it. You actually want to put all of the oil with the tuna in the bowl. The other unique thing about Italian tuna salad is they don't contain any mayonnaise. So it's just the olive oil that's in with the tuna is what is going to dress the salad and just give it that wonderful, unique flavor. And now we'll just add the rest of our ingredients. So I've got about a cup of chopped tomatoes. You can use cherry tomatoes, regular tomatoes, whatever you like. This is half of a pepper chopped. I have about a tablespoon of chopped onion, a couple of tablespoons of chopped kalamata olives, 2 cloves of garlic, and about a tablespoon of capers. And if you've never had capers before, they've got a really nice briny flavor that marries beautifully with fish. And 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So now we're just going to mix everything up together. Now there's no hard and fast rules to this salad. It can vary depending on the region of Italy that you're in. For example, the Tuscans love to add cannellini beans to it. Other regions like to add artichoke hearts or celery. You can really put in whatever vegetables are to your liking, and of course give it a little taste to see if it needs any salt or pepper. And this is a just wonderful, quick, and satisfying lunch, and the amount that we made here will serve 4 people. This is one of my favorite cold lunches, and of course you can have it on crackers or with some good bread or on lettuce leaves. This is a great make-ahead dish because it will keep a few days in the fridge and a wonderful choice for spring and summer. Take care everyone, and we'll catch you in the next one.